Hey friends, this is Will Springer from John L. Scott Real Estate again, and today's message is a fun one actually. I had a freelancer write a blog post for me that talks about DIY. Do-it-yourself is very common these days. In the middle of the pandemic, of course, people were renovating their homes. A lot of DIY was taking place, but of course, mistakes can happen with DIY, and so this blogger has shared his 4 ways to avoid DIY mistakes. A good read, I think. It was published May 25th on my blog at willspringerrealtor.com/blog. It's a fun read. It made me chuckle, and I hope you'll have a chance to read it when you get the moment. Thanks.